everybody. We are at Blade Show 2022 in Atlanta, Georgia. This is the Microtech Knives booth, and I have a lot of goodies to show you, so let's get started. This is the Hera, and we have a couple really good finishes today. This is our new source. I don't know if you have seen it before, but it's one of our latest additions in collaboration with artist Scarlett Cassell. You can see that it's a beautiful design. We have the signature Hera pocket clip, and this one is a single edge, which is the first time that we have done the Hera in a single edge. It has the gold groove. It's beautiful, one of my favorites. For those of you who like it all black, we have the Shadow series. This one is full serrated, double edge, same pocket clip, all black, beautiful. The Hera really is super smooth, great action, one of our favorites. And then we have this new addition that we brought to Blade Show 2022. It is a Merlot. Our customers love the Merlot color. We have done it in the Ultratech before, in the OTX 85, so it was time for us to bring it to the Hera. So there you have it. Okay, so we're very happy to bring to Blade Show 2022 our service personnel program. These are discounted knives for our military, our law enforcement, and our rescue personnel. So for RSK, we have the red top, and it comes in tanto, partial serrate, non-serrate, or fully serrate, and it's an Ultratech edition. Then we have the UMS, which is an all black for our military services. This one is tanto non-serrated. Beautiful design. And then we have the LEO, which is for law enforcement, in blue. So if you have your ID here at Blade Show, you can come check it out and you can get it fully discounted for you. Okay, this is the SOCOM Bravo. This is a design by Microtech Knives in collaboration with Reich Knife. It's one of our latest releases, and it is a manual folder with a thumb stud. It comes in single edge as well as tanto edge, and we do have partial serrated and full serrated models. This one is M390 steel, all titanium with a carbon fiber inlay and tip-up carry. Super smooth, really, really nice. You guys should check it out. And let me show you the tanto version. This one is my favorite. Thank you. Thank you so much.